We shine the light on whatever's worse. You're trying to fix something, but you can't fix what you can't see. It's the soul that needs a surgery.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, ladies, our value is not determined by the size of our ass. Plastic surgery is at an all-time high and has trickled down far past the celebrities that made it popular. Now, I'm not sure who voted that women need to have a 29-inch waist and 44-inch hips or they shouldn't be celebrated, but I'm not going to adhere to that policy. First and foremost, let me say I am not bashing any woman that has made this decision. I am not jealous of any woman that has made this their choice, and I'm definitely not hating. I want women, all women, to embrace their bodies and for their goal to be healthy. The only thing that works is work. Everything else, including surgery, is temporary. Even after you've had surgery, you will still need to eat clean and exercise to maintain that look. I ran across a young lady's YouTube with her story. I'll add my commentary. You guys take a listen and let me know what you think.
When I first got my body done, I got a tummy tuck first.
Okay, I'm not saying this young lady did not research. However, I don't believe a lot of people are taking plastic surgery serious. It's like, let me get a piece of bubble gum out the machine.
My sister paid for me to get a tummy tuck.
So even though I can't afford it, I'll ask someone else to do it for me because it's just that important. Okay.
And the tummy tuck, it helped me, but with me being so overweight, it left me like with these little dog tags.
The photo is showing what a dog tag is, or some may call it dog ears.
If anybody ever had a surgery before, then you all know what I'm talking about. So it left me with these dog tags or whatever.
This usually occurs when the incision isn't deep enough or far back enough.
Whatever. And I had to get them cut off. So I had to go back and get another surgery.
Okay, it's not a must that our bodies are quote unquote perfect.
Because I had a lot of weight on me when I got the tummy tuck, so it was like a lot. It just didn't look right. Like, it just didn't look right. I still had like a lot of rolls and stuff.
Of course you still had a lot of rolls and stuff because you have not trained your mind to eat properly and exercise.
And like, it just looked bad to me. So I went and I paid to get a BBL because I wanted my butt to be big as well. So I went and got a BBL.
Okay, let me get this right. The first surgery did not go as planned. You have that corrected, and you plan another surgery on top of that.
From the same doctor who gave me a tummy tuck. I was so obsessed, like, with social media, and I was so obsessed with, like, K. Michelle when she had a big booty or whatever. So I wanted to get a big butt too.
Ladies, we are all insecure on some level with ourselves. Do not allow that to play into the stereotype that you need to look like another woman. You are beautiful like you, not like her.
So, doing all of that, I wasn't satisfied with the results.
Until you fix what's going on inside, even surgery will not be your cure.
Looking back, I wish I would have kept that butt like that. It looked so nice. Still had some care credit left, and I applied in Miami, and I got approved, and my surgery was paid for. I got my surgery, and my butt was huge. So I asked the doctor, I'm like, is my butt gonna, go down or whatever? And he was like, yeah, because it looked kind of shelfy. It was like my butt was kind of like on my back at first. He was like, yeah, healing or whatever. So I'm like, my butt is not going down.
Still not satisfied. Laying on that table is not correcting your issues.
Like, my sister butt went down. One of my friends who got her body done, her butt went down.
Ladies, you're competing with women and none of them are real. I don't understand.
I end up gaining weight.
Of course you gain weight. Surgery is temporary.
What made me regret it was how big it was and how I felt like people didn't take me serious.
Ladies, stop making your rear end your focal point and you will not have to garner this attention. It does not make men respect you more.
Next month, I'm going to bring you out along with me, and I'm getting my butt taken down. I'm getting the fat taken out my butt. I know how to hold my own when I'm out in public, you know, and I hear people talking or whatever. It used to bother me a lot, and I used to always want to clap back at people.
No woman deserves to be bullied or harassed. It's not worth it, ladies.
People when they said stuff like, oh, your butt big, your legs little, it just give me like a lot of insecurities. Like, I honestly hate my butt. I'm really blessed. Again, my sister is paying for my surgery, and I hope and I pray that I feel better.
I hope and I pray that this young lady feels better as well, but I can hear the pain in her voice. And I just want her to honestly take a deep look at herself and realize that she is beautiful without any enhancements.
About myself and my appearance as far as my body.
I'm inserting the photos for this young lady after surgery, and I honestly and sincerely wish her the best. I hope she is triumphant with her battle with her self-esteem, her confidence, and just life in general. I really do wish her the best. Okay, just to sum everything up, I am a woman. I have dealt with my own insecurities. I've been overweight. I've used weave and shopping and all kind of cosmetics and makeup and things like that that may not have been as permanent, but I have chosen those things as well to help me feel better about myself. But I want us to stop running to the plastic surgeon and laying on a table to think that's going to fix what's going on in the inside, because it's not. As you can see with this young lady's testimony, and I'm so thankful that she gave it, that it will not cure those insecurities. It will not make you feel better about yourself. It will not make you confident automatically. You have to deal with what's going on inside before any enhancements will work. You're still going to look in the mirror and not be happy until you fix what's going on in the inside. Self-love is a journey. It takes dedication, devotion, and practice. Resolve to love yourself each and every day and watch your best self blossom and your greatest life unfold. Self-love is an exponential force. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos.